Local news for Friday the 22nd of September. The New Zealand Army will be in the region this weekend carrying out a training exercise. The exercise will take place at Riversley Station area, west from the junction of Western Lake Road and East-West Access Road areas. Armed soldiers carrying firearms can be seen. Training and oversized vehicles can also be expected. Small explosions will also occur during the exercise, as well as blank firing. Wairarapa police arrested 5 people for burglary yesterday morning following reports of suspicious behaviour from Castle Point residents. At around 3:15am, a member of the public contacted police to report a possible burglary. Just 2 minutes later, another caller contacted police to report a suspicious vehicle driving down the Jetty Street area. Area Prevention Manager for Masterton, Senior Sergeant Gordon Crawley, says police were immediately dispatched to the area. By approximately 5am, the car was located and pulled over before a search was completed. Senior Sergeant Crawley says a large quantity of alcohol, drug utensils and tools and a flat-screen TV were located and are believed to have been stolen from a Castle Point address. Art Splash wraps up in Wellington today, having had hundreds of students from dozens of schools across the Greater Wellington area take part. The annual event brings together primary and intermediate schools to celebrate dance, music, drama, visual and wearable arts. They perform for their parents, whānau, friends and public on two of the biggest stages in Wellington, the Michael Fowler Centre and the Opera House. A dozen local schools from Martinborough to Opaki were involved, showcasing art, dance, music and having a heck of a lot of fun. And the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush head away as underdogs as they take on last year's finalist Buller in round 5 of the Minor 10 Heartland Championship tomorrow. Buller have only lost one match, going down last weekend to Thames Valley in Paeroa. And congratulations to Sam Smith on making the New Zealand Māori under-18 side. Sam is a student at Wairarapa College.